Next up, something I probably would have regardless if I had a bald head or not, but it definitely ties into tip number 3 and tip number 3. I mean, tip number 2 and tip number 3. But you gotta have confidence. Put that head up, girl, okay? Say hi to the girls. Yes, having confidence. Listen, Black and unbothered, darling. Yes, having confidence and not giving an F about what anyone says. Self-confidence. Don't get that confidence from somebody else. It's you wearing it. You're the one looking at yourself every day about with your haircuts. And you kind of just need to pull yourself together. So yes, having that confidence, self-confidence specifically, and not get it from anyone else, you definitely need to have that, because it definitely shows and exudes when you go places. Trust me, I definitely know. I walk into places and sorry friends, but they follow me. Like, it's like an assembly line. I remember when I was in freaking Chicago, and the girl is like 6'2", and she's wider than me, but yet I'm strutting in there like I own the place, because my confidence is just that high. I don't care. I don't care, okay? I'm Black and unbothered, okay? Hello to the girls. But yeah, that's definitely the tip that I would give.